Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Before we start, let me check your attendance and see your grooming. Are your nails short? Okay. Ivan?
Yes, ma'am.
Anthony?
Yes, ma'am.
Ronnie?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Today, we have a special VIP guest. Agustin family booked a reservation for lunch, good for 10 peoples. I want you to take note that they are going to be placed at VIP 10 to give them their privacy. So my second concern is about our menu. Upon checking on our system, our pineapple teriyaki meatball is not available today since the production occurred regarding the production of meatballs. And also for our desserts, strawberry parfait is not available today due to the delay of the strawberries. And for the beverage, take note, we don't have in stock of soda in can. That's clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And for our best seller, chilled chicken coconut milk is running out of item. So I want Ivan to take a look from time to time. It seems that our stock in tissue paper is almost consumed. I want you to limit the usage of tissue paper, Kane and Anthony. That's clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Last week, we received a lot of feedback coming from our customers due to the delay of service. I want everybody to focus and multitask the quality of work, especially now, and we are expecting valuable customers. I want everybody to create a good impression that will last. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So, our next announcement is all about our added menu, which is the Pinoy Halo-Halo. And they can choose any of the 3 flavors ice cream top. We have Laka, Durian, and Ubi ice cream. For my last concern, sadly, one of our co-worker, Mr. Tan, our bartender, is not around today. I believe Mr. Rani knows very well the duties and responsibilities of Mr. Tan because I heard you work as a bartender before. So definitely, you will be our substitute for bartender today. Is that all right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Before we end this briefing, I would like you to have a short training about proper holding of glasswares. So about glasswares, before that, what do you notice about the 2 glass?
Ma'am, the other one is wet. The other one is dry.
Okay, very good. Always, before serving glasswares, always stay it clean and dry. No fingerprint and no watermarks. And when you holding it, always from the bottom. And use 3 finger like this. That's clear?
Yes, ma'am.
And for that, I want everybody to maximize your speed and work hand on hand in order to cope with the customer's needs. That's all for today. I believe that I made myself clear. Do you have any clarification or questions?
None, ma'am.
None, ma'am.
I am expecting everyone to be actively cooperated and do your job efficiently. Back to your designated area. Thank you and good luck. Have a great day, everyone. Before the end of this shift, let's discuss about the operation for today. Mr. Ivan do his task properly. He managed to serve the chilled chicken coconut milk due to the running out of ingredient. Good job. And for Mr. Kane and Anthony also do his task properly. They manage the use of tissue paper. Good job, guys. And for Mr. Rani, do his task great as substitute bartender today. Even if I assign him unexpected this morning, he managed it successfully. Good job, Mr. Rani. And for the areas of improvement, in the kitchen, we always check the ingredients to avoid delay of service and to give the good quality of the food. And in the receptionist, always make it smooth to transact all the guests, smile and feel alive always. For the waiters, make yourself disciplined and presentable always. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
And for all of you, for doing great job today, you will have a treat. We can go for dinner as a reward for our success. And for tomorrow shift, it always your designated area to be assigned. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
And we will call it for today. Thank you for your cooperation and have a good day.